Who's not the
Oh, I
alien?
think you were about to tell me that I'm gonna be okay.
Huh?
Because you're the alien.
Sorry to interrupt your cryosleep, but I thought it worth mentioning that I, your digital officer during emergencies, or Dottie, have detected an alien biorhythm on this ship. And just as I suspected, the aliens uploaded a virus
He thought it
which
was
is slowly
YouTube.
deleting my program. I'm here to
I thought
guide
it
you
was
through
you,
if you
you
like.
suck. Skip or play?
Skip.
Skip. Cassie's the only boomer who doesn't understand.
Well,
I have determined that two of you are secretly aliens. Please look at your device and confirm your identity. Your device can tell you if you're a human or an alien, but not the identities of your fellow players. By my calculations, you will have 15 minutes before I cease to be, so I'd appreciate it if you could figure out
it's
who the
less because
aliens
it's got less
are,
people.
and then push that button.
Oh, is there less time with less people?
yep.
You will be our first captain.
Alrighty.
Choose an available room and your desired participants.
I don't know who Casper is.
Casper? Oh, Cassie. It's gotta be Cassie.
3Ks?
You have been selected to give your opinion. Answer the question on your device.
Very sus answering so quickly.
Well, here's the thing.
The prompt humans saw was... The Kardashians
How
are
funny is that? They're all
American
cash.
treasures. So, let's see how they responded.
Ooh.
Do any of these answers seem suspicious?
Knew it.
You guys know
Taylor
I'm
seems legit.
but also I'm trying to have a headphone.
I mean, one of them's a lawyer, even if she's dumb.
Can you guys hear me alright?
Which one's a lawyer?
We're on the clock
Kim.
here, people, so let's keep it going.
Isn't Kim a lawyer? And I am
No,
Kim.
isn't.
One of the brothers, the lawyer?
No, the dad's the lawyer and Kim's a lawyer.
Yeah.
Kim was a porn star. Oh, rip. Disagree.
Next captain, please. Okay, let's get a move on. Pick another room and test group. There's less than 14 minutes.
How slow, Boomer?
Yeah.
We're on...
One step forward.
Oi!
Alright, now the others.
Our first visit to the deliberation deck. Answer the question on your device. Here is the human prompt. A comet is heading on a collision course with Earth. You spend the day. What do
God
you think?
damn it!
I mean...
Of course. Hey, look.
I mean...
How do you? Brandon, why are you on party? I never
What?
see you party.
hmm.
Well, what else am I gonna do? I love that reasoning. Brandon, I've never seen you party. That's a lot.
You're an
Clock
alien.
here, people, so let's keep it
Why do
going.
you say party? Did he never party?
Daniels is the only one that's the least, is like the least suspicious,
Next
I think.
captain.
Really? I think it's
Put me in there, mute. Let me prove myself.
Oi!
That's not me,
Another
mute.
trip to the opinion hold.
Hmm.
Keep your eyes peeled for any out-of-character responses.
Cassie's taking a while.
No, I don't know what it means.
You don't know what it means.
And the prompt
Yeah, I don't know
for
what it
humans
means.
was, I would consider myself to be frugal.
I think you don't know what that means, Cassie.
There's gotta be a clue.
So Cassie.
I don't know what that means. I'm serious.
She doesn't know what it means.
A likely story.
Especially when you're the stingiest of us all. What does that mean? Someone actually tell me. Oh, I literally don't know what it means. How come you put strongly agree?
We're on the clock here, people. So
If you
let's
don't
keep
know what it
going.
means.
I just picked a random one.
Oh.
Likely whatever.
Next captain, you're on the clock.
I already know that question. What should I choose? The bio.
It's different.
Alright, Mute. I don't know what I did to you, Mute. But if we ever meet in real life.
This is the bioscanner. I hope you've chosen a team you can trust. Captain, I'm sending you the correct glyphs now.
So the first one is like already
Oh my
not put in
gosh.
like upside down triangle pattern.
Upside down triangle.
Yeah, like 3 dots, but then
Three
there's,
dots?
like, 2 like wiggly bits that go in between and like stretch
Yep.
out there.
What? I think.
And then Brandon Helper.
What? I don't even hear. I didn't even hear
Just
your.
keep going. We're running out of time.
Say them
We'll
again.
go back. We'll go back when we think it's right. At the end.
Well, the middle one is the one that Kim said was a slug with a down thing. That one.
Yep.
And then the last one is like a mirror, like two. Is it? Do you guys call it the frog thing?
What?
A
The
frog.
frog. It's got the 2 dots on the top, and then like the little army bits and the curves.
Is
Kind
it?
of like a mirror image of like itself. Kind of like if you look at it as a mirror image, it's like I'm so shit at describing.
What? Just say that. Yeah. No, go. Quick. Just
Are
keep
there
going.
are there lines in the middle of the dots?
No, there's just 2 dots at the top, and then there's like a curve with like these 2 lines that come off it, and then like the bottom. two
Okay,
is, like,
okay.
What was the
almost
first one
aligned.
again? What was the first one again?
The first one is like 3 triangle. It's like 3 dots in like an upside down.
3 dots. Oh no! I had triangle and I didn't.
The test has failed.
Shut up! We can never pass this one.
Okay.
Again,
that was
I
special.
passed
Maybe
it, but
test
I got
humans
cut.
next
You
time.
said triangle.
Hey, oh, yeah, they are with the triangle. Brandon on it. It looks more like
Brandon described that as the antlers before.
Oh, whoa! Hang
Was
on.
it Brandon? Who said it was antlers?
We're on
No,
the
it was
clock.
It
Brandon.
was
He
me,
said
but
antlers.
I'm more curious about this. Someone who's throwing shade at me. I got it right. Oh,
So
listen.
because Brandon got it right, does that mean his...
No one. I just got it right. We needed both to pass, so
I'm sorry, guys.
it's okay. Alien.
Yeah, you said triangle.
That did throw me off when I'm like
Yeah.
triangle.
I was like, triangle?
Has been passed.
I'm dyslexic. I'm
Do not do the
sorry.
voice character.
You have entered the drawing quarters. Draw the prompt on your device.
Oh, I hate these drawing ones.
Sounds like something an alien would say.
Oh, here we go, Brandon. Oh my god, this looks so bad.
Did I mention that if humans use all of their button pushes without success, you lose? Well, you do.
Oh, I didn't know that.
What
Okay. If
Oh, that
humans
makes-
push all their button, I mean, it makes sense. If you use all your button pushes without succeeding,
Let's see the human prompt.
the humans lose.
Draw Winnie the Pooh. Do any of the answers seem suspicious?
They all look like.
No, Casper's, I think, is just a bear.
Yeah.
Yeah. True. Why does Winnie the Pooh roar, Cassie?
Just saying.
I do love though how they both have the same pose though, the last two.
That one looks. Mutes looks so cute.
He's all so cute.
That looks so cute.
Am I allowed to say when I think someone's sabotaged?
We're on the clock here, people.
Yeah,
so
you
let's
can
keep
say
going.
that you think you've been sabotaged, Alien, but you know, that's for the judges
That's
to
exactly what
decide.
an alien.
How does it feel to be victimized, Casper?
You can't say the question because you're an alien. Because someone sabotaged me with a different question.
Or you're an alien and then that was your question.
You're an alien. I wouldn't admit that.
Why can't emergencies have calm alarms and soothing noises? New captain. Select.
Well, Ken's back in the hot seat.
What do we want? What do we want? What do we want?
You're the captain.
Ah,
There's
fuck.
bioscanner that, you know, if we can pass it.
You're the
Do you wanna
captain.
try it again?
Alien.
Who do we trust?
I don't know, alien. You tell us.
This guy reckons it's
I
Cassie.
like
Let's
being
put
able
it
to
to
do
the
this.
test.
I like existing.
It's all fine.
Yeah, but you gotta remember.
Or do
Well-
we want to test her? We want to test her.
Yeah.
Oh, so the people you put in the
Or do we want to? Do we trust Daniel? He doesn't trust Brandon. Fuck! I don't know who to choose.
Well,
I
I
don't know.
passed the first one.
Scythe, are you listening? Because nobody else is trustable.
Oh, the bioscanner again. You know it's not healthy to be in.
You're not trustable.
Think you'll do better
You
this
know,
time?
I'm just saying I passed the
Captain,
first
I'm
one.
sending you the correct lifts now.
Yeah, no, that's what I mean.
So it looks like the tail guy, but the tail's cut off. Like the bottom of it's cut off. It's like the person with the tail, but the tail's cut off. And then there's one that's like archers. The archers with the dot in the middle.
What?
It's like two arches, and then there's a circle in the middle. And then there's one that's the fucking triangle with 3 dots though. It's the pear actually. It's like a pear, the pear one I said before. It kind of looks like a pear but with 3 dots. So does it make sense?
Oh, you
Oh no.
got-
So yeah, it's the person with the tail, the 2 arches with the circle in the middle, the dot in the middle, and like the kind of pear-looking one with that's open at the bottom and
a
has
spade.
a
At the
spade.
top of the Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal looking with 3 dots. Daniel said
Oh, Dick Mahal.
the Dick Mahal. Yeah. Are we good?
Oh, Mute's still going.
Daniel's still going?
Good.
How come it doesn't say you're locked in? You used to say that above your head.
I finished it ages ago.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna assume we're good.
No.
The
No?
test has failed.
Huh.
What
That's
did
what I said.
What did he type?
Wait, we both got the same thing.
No, these ones are different. Mute got it right. Daniel got it wrong because there was 2 that looked similar.
There's 2.
I didn't know there was 2 that were the same. I did say the bottom's
We're
cut
on the
off.
clock here, people, so let's keep it going.
Damn.
Okay, that doesn't confirm anything because it was just because there was 2 symbols that looked exactly the
You
same.
fucked up, didn't you, alien?
I said the person with the tail.
It's not a
Mute
person.
got it.
This is great. The ship's bound with heart, and I'm getting
This is
deleted.
being cautiously quiet.
You're up. No time to waste. There's less than 2 minutes.
Brandon, who?
Oh, that wasn't me.
Welcome to the extraction room. Since you are the one to push the button, whom will you isolate? Since this
Don't
is
think
your
it
first
is.
time here, you have 2 minutes.
Ooh.
Wow.
Ooh.
Okay, time to vote.
Ooh.
The
Wow.
vote has to be unanimous.
Oh.
Remember to
You've
know.
only got a minute.
Yeah,
Got a
no.
minute. I'm telling you.
Wait, I reckon it's at least the dragon is me.
Wow.
You're there, what?
I don't trust Cassie, but obviously I trust myself.
And that sounds weird.
Your sap is having a
So,
crisis.
yeah, you out. You may as well push me out with it because I'm
Bye, bitches. Let's see if it works.
I swear to God, if it's mute, Sai. Yes, we knew. It was mute.
Or was it Jayla the whole time?
Did we even test Kayla?
You!
Kim, we know for a fact now you're the alien. You're like, yeah, it's
I was describing it perfectly. You got it wrong. I was describing it perfectly on purpose.
It's the guy with the tail, but the
It
bottom's
was
cut
that.
off.
That's exactly what I said.
Yeah, I don't know why we didn't like throw Kayla under the bus. She got like every one of her tests wrong. Frugal, Winnie the Pooh.
Maybe it's because everyone kept telling you that Cassie was the alien.
No, everyone was still.
And because Cassie got hacked.
Everyone was still adamant it was still me. I'm blaming that all on you, Mute.
You
were the
guys are
deciding
blaming
vote.
each other.
Officer Trustworthy. Oh, that's a lie. That's a lie, Mute. Yeah, Lax is more like it.
Brandon's forming a rivalry.
It's on.
Brandon was working for the aliens. Brandon's
Did you
always.
just call me a scruffy? Oh.